What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's going on, guys? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and today we have a new box for this month for this channel. Y'all ready to see what it is? Of course you are. It's the Fab Fit Fun box for spring 2020. Yes, they reached out to me, guys, and wanted to know if I would unbox this and give you guys my honest review. And I said, of course I would. So if you guys want to see what's in spring's 2020 Fab Fit Fun, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you get the Fab Fit Fun box. I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters in my trend mood unboxing. Oh, thank you guys so much for being my first 5 and waking up early and watching your girl. I appreciate you guys so much. Our drink, we have a nice vodka, yeah boo, and cranberry drink right here. Oh, y'all, like, I love a little cocktail, and this is one of my favorites. So let me see if I did it right. Ooh, it's a little bit strong, but it's pretty good. So without further ado, let's get the specs of this box and get it on and popping, boo. They did send this box to me for an honest review and unboxing, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you guys. For you guys that do not know about Fab Fit Fun, this is a seasonal box. It's $49.99 every season, and you get $200 worth of full-size products for your $49.99. Some of the products are even worth more than the box, so I'm waiting to see which ones are in here. They let you customize many of your products in your box, and there are a lot of products to choose from. If you use the code TonyaNicole, you will get $10 off of this box. This box does ship to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdoms. So guys, without further ado, let's get this box on and popping, boo. I'm ready. This box is in support of Dress for Success, guys. It's a beautiful box. It's big, it's heavy, and let's see what we got. I need a dance break and a drink break first? Yeah. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside, guys. And it is heavy and it is so packed. Right here on top is the brochure that comes with it, this little pamphlet, well, magazine. So inside of here is all of the products you can choose from and their prices. So I will be doing that and putting them on the bottom of the screen. This month, they're catching up with Gina Rodriguez, if you guys know her. That's what they're talking about this month. So guys, let's see what we got. I'm just gonna pull blindly and see what we get. Okay guys, so first thing up is Ciate London's Fierce Flicks. And this is a precision tip liquid liner. And this is what the packaging looks like right here, guys. I'm sorry for the glare. Intense color payoff, precision felt tip, and perfect for your winged liner. So let's see. Ooh, I love the packaging. This is what the packaging is looking like, my loves, right here. And this is the tip. Let's swatch it right here. Oh, it's nice. Look at that, guys. Let's swatch it again. There we go. Nice and black. Love it. And let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. And it retails for $19, guys. Next, we have from, let's see who this is from. 6A. This is from This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and this is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Okay, so it's from This Works, and this is what the bottle is looking like right here, guys. And in this one, you get 3.3 fluid ounces of product, and you can use this nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. This is a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, creme something, y'all, that I cannot pronounce, to nourish, support, and preserve your skin's vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, chamomile to help improve your sleep. So yes, guys, oh, I'm so excited to use this. It supports sleep and skin wellness at night with a 2-in-1 beauty sleep solution, because y'all know I have insomnia. So I will be testing this out, guys. And like I said, you get 3.3 fluid ounces of product. There is a safety seal, so we won't open it right now, but let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and it retails for $40, guys. So next up we have from Wander Beauty, and this is the Mile High Club Volume and Lengthening Mascara. Now I think I did get one of these in I don't remember if it was an Ipsy or Allure, I'm not sure, but I remember this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We got one like this before, guys, in one of our subscription boxes. And you get 0.35 ounces of product in here. I won't open this because I have a lot of mascaras right now, but it is just a nice voluminous lengthening mascara. And I do remember using this, and I think that I did enjoy using this product. So I'm happy to receive this, and let's see what it retails for. And this, guys, is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Volume and Length Mascara, and it retails for $26. Do you need a dance break and a drink break? I do. I'm not. Up next, we have from Gravity, and this is a weighted sleep mask. Oh, I like. This is what it looks like, guys. And let me see what it says about this little baby here. This is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. Catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. Okay, wow. This retails for $39, and I'm going to open this up. I like that they're giving me stuff to help me sleep because, oh, y'all, we're struggling at night. But it is kind of heavy. How much comes in here? So it says 1 pound, up to 1 pound. Okay. This is what it looks like that. And it just like Velcro straps in the back. Put it on like this and you go to sleep, boo. Nice weighted sleep mask. I like this. I've never heard of these before, but I will be interested in using this and seeing how it works for me. And I told you guys that this retails for $39.99, guys. Up next, we have this from Winky Lux, and this is a rainbow balm. Okay, so this is what the outside packaging is looking like. It's very cute, guys. And let's open her up and see. Hold on one second, guys. Let me see what this is before I make a comment. Hold on. Okay. This had me a little nervous. Y'all, listen to me. Not that my mind is in the gutter. However, I thought this was one of those silver bullet things. I was like, oh, okay. But no, it's a lip balm, guys. Oh, my brain is just not okay. All right. This is what the outside packaging is looking like here, guys. And let's open it up and see. I'm so embarrassed. This is what it looks like. It's multicolored. That is beautiful. It's red, orange, and looks like a lavender color on the end, or a blue. So that's how it looks. I am going to swatch this and see what it looks like. It doesn't have a smell, and it's just lip balm. It doesn't even show up anything. So that's cool. I do like this, guys. It just had me a little nervous. I'm sorry. When I saw the packaging, I was like, ooh, okay, but it's a lip balm. So let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Winky Lux Rainbow Lip Balm, and it retails for $18. Oh, this is nice. So up next here, guys, we have what appears to be an umbrella from, let's see who this is from. Shoshani umbrella. So this is the umbrella here. Let's open it up. Oh my God, I love that it's like this flowered little packaging here. Oh, look how cute. Oh, you just hit it like that. And it's so cute. Now, I'm not going to open this in my house because y'all know they say it's bad luck to open an umbrella inside. But I wanted to show you guys how cute it is. Oh my God, I love this. And it's got a nice little handle here. It's kind of long. Oh, I love it. This is so cute. I will definitely be putting this in my car because I always need an umbrella. This is so thoughtful. Okay, let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the Shoshani umbrella, and it retails for $40, guys. Next up, we have from Caravan, and this is Design Well Travel Home Decor. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug. Add bohemian flair to your space with this black and white woven rug. Wow, okay, let's open it up and see. That's what it looks like, guys, on the outside. And when we pull this up, ooh, this is the rug, guys. I hope you guys can get into all of that, how beautiful it is. Has some diamonds and some lines, some stripes on it. It's beautiful. Oh, I will definitely put this by my door because I like this. I really do. It's cute. I'm really enjoying this box, y'all. They give you just so many, like, just different things. Such a great variety. I do like that. Let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug, and it retails for $48, guys. Wow, $48. Ooh. And we have one more item, and this is, I don't know, Stone Cold Fox. Let's see if I can find something on here that says that. Okay, so this is the Stone Cold Fox tea towels. Oh wow, these chic tea towels feature a white and blue striped design and are both absorbent and durable. Okay, and this retails for $38. So let's see. Oh, I need a tea towel, huh? Comes like this, guys, with this little tie right here. Take that off. And it's a tea towel. Two. Is it one or two? It's 2 tea towels. Okay. So like that. The little blue stripes, white. They're thin towels, but I mean, they're cute. I could probably hang this like on the stove or something. I don't know. The door of the oven, maybe? These are very cute though, guys. I do like this. And this retails for, what did I tell you guys? $38 for the 2. Okay, guys, that was my final product in this season, Spring 2020 FabFitFun box. We're gonna recap all of this really quick and we're gonna do final thoughts and it's gonna be it, guys. Okay, cool. So we received these 2 tea towels here. We received this beautiful, beautiful rug. We have an umbrella. We have this weighted sleep mask. We also have a precision eyeliner as well as a mascara. We got this little Winky Luxe lip balm here. And we also received this deep sleep body cocoon. I think that's all. So final thoughts on this box. I really enjoyed this box. This one is a good one for people that like a lot of clothing and home goods and makeup. It's just a good variety of everything in one box every season. And what I do like is that they do make it seasonal. You know, spring, it usually rains a lot, so we got an umbrella, you know, sleep, and they give you makeup. I mean, it's a good box, guys. I love the variety that they give you. I did not pick any of my products, but I did go on their site and they do give you a lot of products to pick from. And I do like that you could probably pick majority of your box. $49 every season, I don't think it's bad at all. It's gonna be like $200 a year, but I don't think it's bad because you get so many products. So I think it's worth the money, you know, all in all. And if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wolves! To 5 being this box is a bomb.com, you know what I'm saying? Based on the fact that I did not pick my products, but they did get a lot of things right. We did get a lot of makeup products. I like the umbrella and the rug and the sleep mask. I'm gonna give FabFitFun for the Spring 2020 box a solid 4. I really enjoyed this box, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of my box, if you're subscribed to this company or not, or if you're thinking of subscribing. I know that one of my subscribers, Lynn, sent me the link for a $5 starter box, which should be on the way soon, hopefully. Thank you so much, Lynn. I did use it, and I'm excited to get my box. So yes, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Don't forget, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this box. If you have not subscribed to my bomb-ass subscriber squad, you need to go and do so now. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. All of those links are down below. All of the links for FabFitFun is down below in the description. And that's all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Cocktail Monday with your girl. I hope that y'all are rocking and grooving with me. Even if you're drinking coffee, tea, soda, it doesn't matter, guys. It's always a party with us, right? Yes. So until next time in next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Cheers. Bye.